$20 for 41 miles. Where am I? Hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin' with Corey. We are out here on a night that we'll see how it goes, but I ain't expected much. It's a Tuesday night here in mid-March, which means probably not much is gonna happen, but we are starting things off with an okay order, more than okay, pretty decent order. $10.77 for Papa Gino's, which is a local pizza chain around here. It says 5.7 miles, but cueing the old Chuck verbiage, a lot of those miles I had to drive anyways, so it's really only gonna be about probably 10 for 2. Fantastic order. We're on our way now. All right, that was dropped off. A nice little 10-15 minute endeavor for 10 bucks. Little status report. We do have everything on. We are scheduled on DoorDash for 4 hours straight. The wait time right now is showing 3 to 11 minutes, which basically means we're not going to get an order all night, because every time it says that, it's usually pretty bad. But we're gonna go to Walmart, as we haven't had a Spark order in a few days. If you saw the video I just posted, I didn't do any food orders, so I didn't do any grocery orders, so let's see if anything comes our way. I'll let you know when I get it. I'll let you know what I get when I get it, if I get it at all. People ask, actually nobody asks, but I'm not one of the people who shows you my declines, but just because I have nothing else going on now, shadows, lighting, there we go. This is what I was offered on my round robin for the hour. 15, 2 drops, 10 miles. And there's been a Home Depot floating around, 10 miles, 13 bucks. Haven't had any more food offers, so we're still sitting. This is what I'm dealing with. This is what I'm not taking, so come on, we need something reasonable. So I last made a clip about an hour ago. I have not gotten a order that is over $1 a mile. I've been sitting here. I finally got this order on the screen, 12 for 5. It is to a it's a Gyro place, some kind of Greek food with tzatziki. Food that is outside of my ethnicity, but either way, it's not a bad order. It's a full round trip. It's in the middle of nowhere, but I was just about to give up, but we'll give up with an extra 12 bucks in our pocket. And we're already here. Here is the establishment. So let's go get it. All right, nice easy drop off, and we lucked out. That one went up to $14.25. I didn't mention also that the other order, the Uber that I took prior, that one also went up. It posted at $12.43 instead of $10.77. I'll try to see if that'll load real quick. Yep, so we are actually +2 on tips today, so we've amassed in about 2.5 hours about 26 bucks. Woo! Going to Vegas! Yeah. So I'm gonna give it another minute or so, and we'll figure out what's happening next. Let's see, we got a DoorDash, rather an Uber, 26 for 26. Good joke, but we'll see what happens. All right, and to finish off our $10 an hour night. We're gonna take this Panera order going 2.9 miles. It's not going home, but it's doing something, and then I'll just kind of slow trek my way back. So Panera's right here. Again, this is a Tuesday night. All the miles I did were short. Expense-wise, it's not a bad night because I didn't drive far for anything that I did, but all these orders were, well, 3 orders. That's it. Can't win them all, folks. So let's go grab our Panera. Maybe we'll get a stack. Maybe we'll get to go home. Probably not, but let's kind of be optimistic, right? Well, I will say today is the day of the hidden tip. This is we've done 3 orders today, and all 3 of them have hidden tips. So take that for what it's worth. That puts us at $22.75 plus 12, so $34 in about 3.5 hours. This was, yeah, that's just, there's no way to slice that in a positive light, but we're gonna start our drive home. I'm not fully throwing in the towel yet. I don't know why I turned that off. I'm not fully throwing in the towel yet, but we'll just do our little stroll back through the back roads and see if anything pops up. If not, we'll head home and we'll wrap this up. All right, guys, we got our go home order. It is a Walmart shop, so we're going to turn everything off. We'll preserve our little petty acceptance rate. It is a shop that is $17.45 for just about 13 miles. It's 3 items, quite literally. It's 3 items. It's 2 boxes of cereal and a jug of almond milk. So somebody wants some cereal for dinner. Maybe he talked to the Kellogg CEO.
So we're advertising about cereal for dinner. If you think about the cost of cereal for a family.
Someone will get that. So about 1.5 miles to Walmart. We'll be in the store for 7.2 seconds and we'll drive home. It's all but on the way home. So let's go. Just an interjection on my drive to show you this request from Grubhub. $20 for 41 miles. Where am I? It's dark in here, but yeah, you saw that. All right, that last order is dropped off to a place that I have no idea where I am. I don't know, it looks like some kind of campground, and I've never seen it before, even though I live a couple minutes up the street from here, but whatever. 17 bucks, that puts us right around 50. I'll put the exact stuff here. Mileage-wise, again, we barely drove today. Everything was short miles. So salvaging 50 bucks ain't bad. Obviously, it's not great, but I was about to go home at 10 bucks, so somehow I made 50 out of it, so take the good with the bad. But either way, I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We are growing this slowly, not as slowly as before. We're starting to grab at least a couple subscribers a day. Let's keep that trend up. Thanks everybody for that. I do have a couple big videos planned that do require scripting and editing, gig related, so I just gotta find time to do them, but maybe by the time this comes out I'll have already done that. But either way, thanks for tuning in. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.